Without homes and businesses, there would be no need for heating or cooling systems. Without HVAC systems, there would be no red apple air. It's why we're so dedicated to serving sustainable HVAC systems whenever possible, and why we celebrate the air and its beauty whenever possible. Red Apple Air is a company you can trust to deliver with care, superior quality, and passion wherever we repair, install, and service. It's your turn to feel the experience of a heating and cooling system that works brilliantly throughout the seasons. Red Apple Air, technicians you can trust. Call today, 310-532-0522.